Welcome to a new video, guys. So in this session we are going to study about machine learning using Spark. In this video we will just see the theory part behind it, and in the next video we will implement this machine learning model using Spark. So let's dive into the question saying why Spark. So Spark, we can have this question like we will have the four direction of Spark which it is be useful. So first direction we can say is in memory processing. By in memory processing I want to say like before the Spark the traditional method of data cleaning or data processing was map and reduce. So in map and reduce what are we doing is like we will take a data set or data frame and load it, and we will process it and again store into an intermediate hive table or any intermediate table. So and then we will again load it and then again process it and then store it. So this intermediate thing will like costing us like more memory problem. But there come the Spark provide us in memory processing, so all these steps will include in only in one pipeline. So this is the first direction that is very useful. And then second direction we can say that is very useful is like it is support for Python, R and many other languages. So if you are building something in Python then also you can use it. If you are building something in R then also you can use it. It's not something like it's only possible to use it in some specific language. So this is another useful thing. And the third direction that we can say it's useful is like it's big data workload. So suppose if you have like loads of GB of data, you can't process directly all the data in Pandas and Jupyter and any other framework, but here you can process all the data at one time. So this is the another direction that is very useful. And the last direction I can say that is very useful is used for multiple purpose. Like why I am saying is like example, if you want to build an ETL pipeline or any data storage and data cleaning and data processing and model making pipeline, it's is useful in all the purposes. So these are some four direction that is in which Spark is very useful. But but what is basically a Spark ML? This is that was only for Spark, but why Spark in machine learning? So Spark in machine learning is like it provides us unified API for machine learning. That's why we are using it here in machine learning. But when I said unified API, what I mean? So by unified API, I mean to say, so this is a basically a pipeline for a machine learning model. So it will, so in Spark we can do all these things at one shot. I mean, at one shot, I mean like at one single place. So let's dive into each of the features of the Spark which it support us, and let's see the each one. So the first one we can say is like data frame. So by the data frame, I mean all the data set, like all the data ingestion part. It can be useful here, like it can be from any HDFS S3 and any source you can think of. So its support is like very extendable. And second one here comes is like transformer. So by transformer I mean to say like it can be useful in cleaning and processing and whatever you want to do with the data you can do it here. So after processing you can think like how can we build model in Spark. So but yet the answer to that question is like always yes, you can build any model in the Spark. So that's where we come as estimator. You can build any model like neural nets, data decision trees and random forest, any model you can think of you can build there. So after building the model you can also evaluate and take a matrix and store it into some data source. This is also available in Spark. So that's why it's very useful and it's a unified API support for machine learning pipeline. So that's why we use it. And so this is basically why we are using Spark in our day-to-day life. than other frameworks, because it's like it can be given, it gives us like more support for all the activities that we do, we can think of, and we are generally doing that at one shot. So this is why we are using it. And thank you guys for your support and